Welcome back, everyone, and if this is your first time here, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the tab display type in the Yandex browser on mobile. This quick setting helps you choose how your open tabs. First, open Yandex Browser on your mobile device. Next, locate the three-line menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on it. Then, click on the Settings icon to access the browser settings. After that, tap on Tab Display. Under the Tab Type section, you will see two options: Tiles and List. Choose Tiles if you prefer a visual card style, or select List if you like a simple vertical layout. Finally, tap on Restart to apply the changes and reload the browser with your new tab display style. This is how you can easily customize your tab view in Yandex Browser on mobile in just a few seconds. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.